Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 3B, Existing Surface Profiles, Primary Road. This video illustrates A. Default profile settings, B. Create existing ground profiles, C. Rename profiles, D. Select appropriate profile views, E. Create quick profiles, F. Superimpose profiles, G. Make Superimpose profiles permanent. Change the default drawing object layer, settings, right-click road improvement, edit drawing settings, object layer tab, scroll to profile, pick current name, change to existing surf, OK. Profile labeling, pick drawing name, change to existing surf text, OK. Change default profile settings, right-click profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile label set, profile no label set, profile style, existing ground, expand default name format, profile name template, pick the current name, add -ex surf, in the property fields, select offset value, insert, OK. Repeat for the offset profile name template, -ex surf, offset value, OK. Create existing ground profiles, home ribbon, create design panel, profile icon, create surface profile, alignment, kin crown, existing surface with aerial, to sample from the start to the end, add. A data line is displayed for the existing surface profile along the alignment, sample offsets, enter 30, for the right profile, -30 for the left profile, add. Two data lines are added for the left and right offset profiles. Check that the update for all three existing surfaces is dynamic and that the style is existing ground. Do not select Draw in Profile View. The profile view has already been created. OK. Clear Actions and close Action Panorama. At present, the centerline right and left existing ground profiles are displayed in all three profile views. Pick an offset profile. In Properties palette, the name shows -30 feet, which indicates the profile is offset 30 feet to the left. Delete the 30 feet in the name and add LT for left. Enter. Repeat for the other profiles. Use Prospector to select the appropriate profile to be displayed in each profile view. Prospector, expand alignments, centerline alignment, kin crown, profile views, right-click kin crown centerline, properties, remove the check mark for the right and left, apply, OK. Repeat for the left and right profile views, right-click, properties, remove centerline, right, apply, OK. Right-click the right, properties, remove centerline, left, apply, OK. Normally, the topo points are used to draw the existing ditch flow line. For this video, the ditch flow line alignments for Kincaid have been inserted into the drawing. Change the default settings for the profile of the existing ditch flow line. Settings tab, right-click drawing name, edit drawing object layers, scroll down to profile, pick the current name, scroll down to existing storm flow line, OK. Profile labeling, pick the current name, scroll down to existing storm text, OK. Apply, OK. Change the profile settings, right-click profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile label set, profile no label set, profile style, existing flow line, OK. Default name format, profile name template, pick the existing name, remove portion of the existing label, add EXFL for existing flow line, OK. Apply. OK. Create existing ditch flow line profiles. Home ribbon, create design panel, profile icon, quick profile, pick a ditch flow line, surface, existing surface with aerial, profile style, existing flow line, profile view style, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical center line, OK. Pick a clear area for the profile view, clear action, clear events panorama. For this video, the quick profiles for all existing ditch flow lines along Kincaid have been created and are shown. Use Properties palette to rename each quick profile. Pick a quick profile, pick the name, use short description for the new name, Ken EXFL right west, enter. Repeat for the other quick profiles. Superimpose the quick profiles onto the Kincaid profile views. Home ribbon, create design, profile icon, create Superimpose Profiles. Pick a profile, pick the appropriate profile view, leave the start and end station as is, apply, OK. Repeat for the other ditch profiles. For this video, all 3 quick profiles are shown in each profile view. Use Prospector to select the appropriate profile to be displayed in each profile view. Prospector, expand alignments, centerline alignments, Ken Crown, profile views, right-click the centerline, properties. In the profiles column, remove the 3 quick profiles from being displayed in a center profile view. Apply, OK. Repeat for the left and right profile views. If the drawing is saved in its present state, all quick profiles will be deleted and cannot be recovered. Undo. Make the superimposed profiles permanent. Explode each quick profile in the Kincaid profile view. X, enter, enter, enter to repeat, enter, enter to repeat, enter. After exploding, each profile will be converted to a standard AutoCAD block reference object and will not be a Civil 3D object. The ditch profile jumps at locations of existing culverts. The jump portion of the profile needs to be removed and the culvert invert drawn in its place. Draw a line on layer EX Storm for the culvert inverts. Use line command L, enter. With snap-on, pick one culvert angle point, pick the other culvert angle point, depress enter to stop the line, depress enter a second time to start a new line, enter, 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 enter. Repeat until all culvert lines have been drawn. The current culvert invert lines are approximate and are used only as a means to trim the ditch flow line. At a later stage, during the design of the drainage system, the existing culverts will be created using Civil 3D tools and the current culvert invert lines will be deleted. Use trim command to trim the jump up portions of the flow line profile. TR enter, pick a culvert invert line, enter, pick jump up portion of the polyline, enter. Depress enter again to repeat the command, enter, enter. Continue until all jump up portions of the flow line have been trimmed. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.